What's up, YouTube? Welcome to Hunter's Vending. All right, now get out, scat. Get out of here. Go. What? Oh, so you ain't going, you don't want to rock with me? Let me get on my job, man. Let me get on my JLB. Check me out here, y'all. Woo, sun beaming because your boy is shining, man. Hey, that one right there is going out, and the snack machine is hiding over there in the corner. Boy, your boy is shining, boy. But anyways, y'all follow along with me, vibe with me, because I'm about to turn the tunes on for y'all, man. We about to get to this location and drop it and get it in order, man, and get ready to reap the harvest, man. Let's get it, y'all. Let's get it. Can I get a let's get it?
Let's get it.
Can I get it? Let's get it. 1, 2, 3.
Let's get it.
Perfect. Perfect. Perfect.
Chilling, man. I ain't gotta do nothing, man. You know, got my little minions working for me. Right, so guess what, guys? I fried the board. Yeah. So yeah, I plugged the wrong plug in and it sparked, and you know, I fried it. So hey, working on my patience right now. Right now, I would be flipping out, but hey, I can't change the situation. It's already done. So I'm going to get a better snack machine. And today, they're just getting a soda machine. Yeah. So I wrote them and told them sorry for the inconvenience. I fried the board. I told them the truth, man. So, hey, we still rocking. We ain't stopping, man. Let's get it. Yeah. Strapped up. Y'all know what time it is. We to the location, man. And he really don't want to come, y'all. But I only tell him to come when I really need the help. God. You want to help, right?
Yeah.
Are you lying?
No, I want to help.
That man lying on camera, y'all. It's at the location, the Lyft spot, y'all. You ready?
Yep.
Say, let's get it.
Let's get it.
All right, all right. All right. Go. Let's get a little bit from my peoples, man. Y'all see a little bit, but we about to get this thing rocking, man. Whew, we on live? We on live, y'all. Sweating and stuff, man. Hey, but check this out, y'all. I got this spot, and they gave me the spot right next door. So, hey, y'all already know what it is, man. We take it over, man. Where'd he go? Where boss man?
His name over there?
Huh? All right, so the soda machine, there's no plugs in that area, so I need to move Coke up out the building, y'all. So we looking for the boss man. Yo, hey, where can I find Randy? Randy? Is this another? Oh, this a whole nother spot.
Yeah, that's all. It's usually like the oil changes of the cars that we ran out.
Okay.
And they're probably gonna be home for me probably.
Huh?
He said, "Put it on me. Put it on me."
Why'd you put it on?
I did. I didn't know what he was talking
I'm
about.
gonna interview him.
Yeah.
Stitching for this one go about like almost 10 feet, but yeah, but I thought you just told me that the power would. Oh no, it's not. Oh, it works on this side. You just told me it didn't. Our little secret I got a plug right back here. Okay, that'll work.
Let's see how far the extension.
Let me go grab it.
Okay.
That's not happening. I wonder if he got an extra extension.
That might work. Where's the plug-in over here?
I got it plugged in. Just follow the cord. See? All right. Hey, Javari, see if you can get it out on the other side. Is it not? It's not. Oh, yeah. There you go.
There you go. All right. It's a pretty heavy-duty cord, hopefully. I'm gonna go put this back out in the garage then. Doing Pepsi and Coke? All right. A hot one? I think whatever.
Look, if you want
Thank you, bro.
Perfect. Perfect.
shut down?
47?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What do you know what's gonna take over there?
Nothing.
Nothing?
No.
Oh. You guys like this spot better already?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Nice.
Traffic's better, too.
Yeah. Farther drive? Okay. So nice, nice. Gotta grab the lock for the vending machine and test the dollar bills, make sure that's working properly. And we out. Then we on the hunt for a snack machine. And then they want another vending machine over at the other facility. So it's constant growth, man. Sound good? That sound good?
Yeah, that
You
sound
shaking
good,
your
yeah.
head like, yeah. Right, got my locks. Gonna throw a lock up on that thing. Oh, we dropping money, man. We turning into a bank, y'all.
Please don't do that laughing.
We turning into a bank. Let's go. 12. You guys waiting on me? No? Oh, okay, cool. I felt some pressure. Say what? Oh man. Yeah. Hey, whatever you guys want, switch up, just let me know. Like versus what you guys see, yeah.
Gumball machines and this and that.
That's what I started with that, yeah.
Yeah.
Candy, gumball, all that.
All the little things like that.
Exactly. And then somebody told me, hey, we want a bigger machine. And I was like, I got it. I really did.
Yeah, but you made it happen.
Figured it
right?
out, yeah, exactly.
You figured it out, made it happen.
And that's how I got started.
That's why you own your own business.
Hands are dirty.
Yeah, that's all right, bro.
All right.
I'm good. What's your name, boss?
Javari?
Jabari?
Yeah.
All right.
It's my cameraman.
All right,
I
very good.
document everything,
That'd
man.
be power team right here.
Yeah.
Power team. Whoops.
All right, appreciate
Got
it.
here, Randy? Yes, sir.
All right, y'all be expecting that snack machine soon, man. ASAP.
Definitely.
Appreciate you. Then I'm gonna knock that out over there too.
Appreciate you. And they
Got
got to
you,
get
bro.
the card machine in there. There's that
Yeah,
credit
I'm
card thing going.
gonna upgrade all that. I got you.
Oh, you gonna put the credit card machine?
Yeah, for
Oh,
sure.
sweet.
Yeah. All right. I think I'm good, man. If anything goes wrong, just let me know. Hey, that went smooth. That's one thing I like about vending, bro, is most of the people allow you to be yourself. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like, I ain't got to come up here faking, hello, how's it going? My name's Wayne. Own my own business, you know, professional. You know, I can come up in there, hey, what's up? How you doing, man? Yep, got my own business, yep. It's good, man, yep. What's up? What's going on? What's popping? You know,
Yeah.
we rocking, you know, we ain't stopping. We to the topping, you know, tip.
Yeah.
Location number 15 dropped. Got to get the snack machine, y'all. Hey, we out here, man. It's 15. I see 16 over there, And I got a couple more here and there and there and there. I'm signing off. Follow me as I take over, man. We getting that big 5-0, man. Let's get it, let's get it, let's get it, and we out.
Perfect.